Hey guys, it's Kiara. Welcome to the screen. Today we're just gonna be continuing this case study of making money on Clickbank using my lead gen secrets, 3 separate accounts. All right. So as you can see, let's see here. Let's check yesterday's progress and see if we got a sale. I'm pretty sure we didn't. Don't remember. Yeah, we didn't get a sale here. Social pay here. That's what we're promoting. I think I wrote articles or something from these other clips. I don't know what they're from, but I did something. Those are the other clips are from. But anyway, we're checking here, and yeah, MLGS 1, 2, and 3 here, and we getting clicks. We're just not getting sales. So we're just gonna continue on the exact same way that everybody else is doing it, completely copying exactly what these emails say here. So we're gonna continue with the same product here. Social pay here. Let's see here. Go to marketplace. Click on eBusiness. Your market should be the first one right here. So you click on this right here. Click on this, should take you to the page here. And you just click on the emails, and you go. It'll take you right down to the emails. See emails right here. You'll show this. Go straight to the emails, right? The refund rate is very low for this product. I've never had a refund from this product. I've noticed. I think they say they got a refund rate under 10%, which is really good for a digital product. So now usually when it's a physical product, a refund is just don't seem really worth the time. You know, when I bought this graphics card, and it wasn't the exact right graphic card that I bought. I was just like, I'll just keep it, whatever. You know, it just didn't seem worth the time to send it back. But anyway, so we're gonna go. We on email 3 here. We just copy this, right? We go to our My Lead Gen Secrets here. If you don't know about My Lead Gen Secrets, it's basically a product in which you get 100 leads every single day. They are real leads. You can get sales with them. I've done it multiple times. People have done it multiple times, but I'm just gonna follow the exact strategy that most people are saying here. I'm not changing the email in. I'm not changing the emails they give us and stuff, and I'm just sending the exact email that they sent us. Okay, so all right, yeah, I just sent this email. All right, so I already sent the email, but you want to do this to all 3 accounts. I forgot that as soon as I woke up, I sent the emails because I woke up kind of late today, and I didn't want to be. You only can send an email every 24 hours, so the sooner you send it, the sooner you'll be able to send it the next day. So I sent mine immediately. I'm sorry about that, but basically just copy paste, and you'll have your email sent out. All right, so let's see here. Oh, that's something else. My bad. I think that's about it, really. I'm trying to think of what else to talk about here. You just copy paste. If you want to send it to another, once you finish with this account, you just click on this account, open it like that, go over here, log into it right here, and boom, you can send it. You just copy and paste from here and send it to that account. I don't know what else. I think that's about it, guys. It's not much else to talk about. The process is so simple and easy to do. It's very easy to copy and paste. It's all you really do, and you do it every morning. You can make an income off of it, but we're trying to see if we can. With 3 accounts, the recommended amount of accounts you need is 5. They say, but I want to see if I can get just a decent profit going with 3 accounts. I got my spreadsheet here just ready to mold and note whenever I get a sale doing this amount from this point on, because we're just gonna follow exactly this product process and see if we can save some money off of this. If we can't, I don't know, but we'll see when we get across that bridge. But I think we can. Haven't gotten a sale yet, but that's okay, because once we do get sales, we start getting sales, it's gonna just keep rolling in. All right, so that's about it, guys. Also, I want to speak on something else real quick. I believe that Saving Highway Global works a little bit better than My Lead Gen Secrets. You constantly get sales, and they have a chance of staying in the system, so you can build your income up and up. When you get sales with My Lead Gen Secrets, and you can just like how it works is that if the people that sign in, stay in the system and save money, that what Saving Highway Global does. If they stay in the system and save money, then they make an income off of that. All right, you can make an income off of that and build it up to like $200 or $300. I haven't really promoted this product in a while, and I'm still making money off of it just from sales I made last month. So yeah. All right. That's about it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and do all the things that's needed to do to make sure I show up, on the recommended and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.